Part 2, our group will explain how to draw two-dimensional isometric. What is isometric? Isometric is a picture which on each side has a slope of 30 degrees. Step 1. Tap Zoom, All, and DS. Activate Snap-on and OK. Then activate Top Isoplane. Tap the line with specify first point 0.0. Then make a horizontal line along 102 mm and line up 75 mm. Repeat on the rectangular shape. Then make a line width of 70 mm. Height 75 mm. Repeat the step until it becomes a beam shape.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
Then make a line of front view with a height of 13 mm. Pull along 102 mm. Then trim, delete unnecessary lines. Then make a line 22 mm long, pull up a line 13 mm long, then pull up. Then draw another line along the 22 mm, pull up from the corner of the line along. Then make a line 22 mm long, pull up, 13 mm long, pull up. Then draw another line along the 22 mm, pull up from the corner of the line again along 13 mm, pull up. Trim, enter, and delete unnecessary lines. Then draw the line until the endpoint. Repeat on the 4 lines. Trim, enter, and delete unnecessary lines. Make a line 13 mm width, then draw a line. Trim, enter, and delete unnecessary lines. Make a line and endpoint of 43 mm length, 22 mm width. Then connect the line with a triangle. Then draw another line 43 mm. then line it again. Repeat until it becomes a triangle shape. Trim, enter, and delete unnecessary lines. Draw a line along the 13.5 mm from the triangle shape until it becomes the shape. Replace the center model line with a thickness of 0.1. Trim, enter, and delete unnecessary lines. Repeat the same shape on the next side. This is how to draw isometric from our group.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
our last apologies, we would like to express our gratitude. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.